Are you looking to give your property a new lease on life? Look no further than Escobar Carpentry Inc. With 22 years of experience, our dedication and commitment to excellence are unmatched. Whether you need carpentry services, new constructions, home additions, deck services, and more, we are here to assist you. Located in Woodbridge, Virginia, and serving within an 80-mile radius, you can trust that our experts are trained to deliver the highest standard of quality and safety on every job. Contact us today by calling 410-500-6711 or visiting our website at escobarcarpentryinc.com. And remember operating hours: Monday, Saturday, 8 o'clock a.m., 5 o'clock p.m. Escobar Carpentry Inc., where every detail counts and your satisfaction is our #1 priority.